In today's video, I'm trying something a little bit different with my balloon dip technique. I have some leftover paints from a previous pour, and the black paint has some silicone oil in it, and I wanted to try a dip just to see what would happen with oil in one of my paints. So I have black for my base coat, and then I have blue, turquoise, pink, and some gold. And so this will also be the first time that I'm trying a dip on a black background too, and I really want to test this out some more because these colors were really bold and vibrant against that black. So once I had my base coat down, I just pooled my paint in a few different spots on my canvas, and I just start with the gold and then take the other colors and circle them around the gold. Once I had all of my paint puddles down, I just blew up my glove. It's just a nitrile glove. I'll have that linked in the comments if you'd like to purchase some. And I just gently dipped it right into the pools of paint. I don't know if it was the silicone oil or if it was how thin my paint was, but my shapes really didn't stay that well. I tried adding some more paint to see if I could really keep my flower shapes, and it really didn't work out. So I might try this again and thicken up my paint mixture, try a little bit of silicone oil again and just see what happens. But since it didn't work out, I ended up scraping it and swiping some paint, the same colors, and I came out with a really cute design, so you'll see that at the end. But while this didn't work out, it was really fun to experiment and kind of see what the dips would look like with the silicone oil in them. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Let me know what you think of this video, and if you'd like to see some other colors with that black background, especially with a dip, I think it would look really pretty. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.